Bitcoin finally has broken out of this ascending triangle as we expected yesterday, and Ethereum is even following Bitcoin to the upside. As I told you, I'm expecting Ethereum to reach at least $2,300, and this is the chart for Ethereum on CME. And too many people was bearish and was expecting a bear crash on the Ethereum because Ethereum is going to be listed on CME, but we told you Ethereum is super bullish. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market, and I'm going to share with you what I see on the chart today. As I told you yesterday, I was expecting the total market cap, including Bitcoin, to reach the 200% of the Fibonacci retracement we have got from the top on the 2017 to the bottom on 2018. Now we are getting closer and closer to the 200%, which is going to be approximately actually about a $1.5 trillion. We are not that far away from that one. Actually, we just need about $100 billion more to get that one. And the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, I told you from here, actually from the few days ago, I told you I'm expecting at least about a $10 billion get injected into the total market cap. The altcoins, actually no Bitcoin, to the altcoins, because if we calculate it from this rising wedge we have to this rising channel we have got in here and the pole in here, I was expecting with the calculation actually about a $10 billion more is going to be injected into the altcoin, and now it's happening. Actually we reached that one with a shadow yesterday. Now if we go and check the Bitcoin dominance, what do we have in here? If we go on the weekly time frame on the Bitcoin dominance, as I told you, we have got the double top. Actually on the weekly time frame, the Bitcoin dominance is super bullish at the moment. But if we go back on the daily time frame, we are getting rejected with this purple line we have got. Actually was working really great as a resistance for the Bitcoin dominance. Now is one more time working as a resistance for Bitcoin dominance. Maybe we are going to see another crash on the Bitcoin dominance, and the altcoins are going to follow and rising one more time till what do we have actually till end of February. And after that, maybe we are going to see a really big move on the Bitcoin dominance to the upside, and we are going to see a one more time, not that far actually the altcoin is going to crash, but one more time Bitcoin is leading the altcoin, and after that maybe we are going to reach the 77% of the total market cap on Bitcoin, the Bitcoin dominance actually, or 80% of Bitcoin dominance. And after that maybe we are going to see another time Bitcoin is going to crash the down. Bitcoin dominance is going to crash the downside, and altcoins rise one more time. If we go and check Bitcoin together, actually what I'm going to show you today, if we go on the daily time frame, what do we have in here? As we had this descending broadening wedge in here, I told you this one is going to be so similar to what we had from the $12,500. If I can show you in here. What do we have in here? I told you that broadening wedge we have got is going to be so similar to this one. As you can see, the broadening wedge was working really great. Once Bitcoin actually broke out of this broadening wedge, it was super bullish, and as you can see in here, it looks like we had the descending triangle and it was supposed to break to the downside, but as nobody expected, broke to the upside, and the broadening wedge was broken to the upside as well. Now what we can see in here, what do we have in here? We have actually this descending triangle was expecting to break to the downside, and now was going opposite of that one to the upside, and the broadening wedge with the two white lines we have got in here was broken to the upside as well. And now as you can see on the chart, Bitcoin is still making higher high and higher low, and the new higher high we have got in here just happened yesterday. We can clone that one. Actually we have got the new higher high as well. Maybe we are going to see a really big move to the upside. I'm going to show you my target as well, and after that maybe we are going to see a crash to the downside. If we go on the 4-hour time frame on the Bitcoin, actually I told you Bitcoin, I'm expecting a really big move on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin was moving between this support and resistance for the few days actually, or few weeks, and now finally is getting broken to the upside. I told maybe we are going to see this yellow line is going to break to the downside, but the support line is going to support Bitcoin price, and after that another move to the upside. That's exactly happened as we expected. If I go to the other chart I have got in here, if I go back on the daily time frame, I told you I'm not expecting Bitcoin to crash to the downside and go below $34,000, but if that happened even 1% or less than 1%, Bitcoin is going to be this to the downside. But what we can see in here, as I expected, I told you I'm expecting Bitcoin to break the previous high, which was about $42,000, and make a new all-time high for its price in all history actually. And now what happened, what we can see yesterday with Elon Musk actually and Tesla purchased about the $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. Bitcoin finally broke out of the previous high and is reaching the new all-time high, about $48,000. If I show you another chart I have got in here, let me check that one. I did talk about this one yesterday as well. Another chart I have got in here, I told you yesterday Bitcoin is playing inside this ascending triangle we have got in here. I told you maybe Bitcoin for the next few days was playing inside, is going to play inside that one, after that break to the upside, which is more likely for Bitcoin. But what happened yesterday, after the Tesla actually purchased that price of that much of Bitcoin, Bitcoin finally broke out of this previous high and the ascending triangle we have got. If we're going to calculate this one according to this bottom, this high we have got in here, I'm expecting Bitcoin to reach about the $58,000 by the next few days or weeks. If we go on the Ethereum chart, I told you yesterday Ethereum is super bullish for me, and everyone was expecting a crash on Ethereum because it's going to be listed on CME. I told you Ethereum, this one exactly happened before. Actually, if I showing it to you, that's what exactly Ethereum did in the previous time. As you can see in here, after Ethereum was playing inside this rising channel, broke out once actually and came back and detested, broke to the upside again, ran to the upside. And exactly this one is happening at the moment, broke to the upside, came back to backtest this one, and is going to reach the new all-time high for Ethereum. And another chart I'm going to show you, I told you yesterday, according to this this ascending triangle we have got in here in yellow color, and this zone area was about $1,400, was really great resistance for Ethereum. That one was broken, and now as you can see, this ascending triangle we have got in here, once Ethereum was playing inside that one, broke to the upside, came back to the previous high we had in shadow in here. Actually, as you can see in here, Ethereum came back to test it again and now is rising to the upside, and my target is going to be about $2,300 for Ethereum. And too many people was expecting a crash to the downside. There is no reason, because Ethereum was listed on Monday on the CME. As you can see in here on the daily time frame, what do we have? Two really big fat green candle on the daily time frame on Ethereum on CME. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys, and see you guys in the next one.